Hello, good morning, guys. Good day. Welcome back to my channel, RHC Engineering. Today, I will show you the analysis of a simple beam with a concentrated load at the center as per the PCI Handbook 7th edition. So our reference is as per the PCI, although we have this kind of structure in the different references pwede ninyong gamitin. But my reference is as per the PCI. Okay. We have here the formula. Yung R is P over 2. Maximum moment is PL over 4. As you can see, if the P is at the center of the midspan of the beam. So the point load is at the midspan of the beam. Then MX is the moment at the corresponding distance of X from the support, from the left support, as you can see in the figure. My condition that X should be less than of L over 2. Okay, so that is Px over 2. Then the maximum deflection is PL cube over 48 EI. Then, makuha natin yung deflection na corresponding distance x from the left support. So, Px over 48 EI times the quantity 3L squared over 4x squared. Then, ito yung figure sa right side. We have here the diagram, the shear and the moment diagram. Then, ang kaganda dito guys, you just input the value of the A prime C of the compressive strength of the concrete. B is the width of the beam or the depth. Then B is the width. Then the D is the depth of the beam. Then L are the span of the beam. Then P is the point load. Then X is the corresponding distance from the support to the point load. Then we have here the result. So, makuha natin yung reaction, shear. Although yung reaction, the maximum reaction is same with the shear value. The moment max, then mx, dip max, then the corresponding deflection, the corresponding value of x from the left support. Basta ito yung tanda ninyo, the x should be less than L over 2 para makonsider ninyo yung deflection or the moment at the corresponding value of x. Yun. Then we have here the detailed calculation. So, check na lang ninyo. Okay, so try tayo. So for example, let's change the F prime C into 35. So automatically, it will calculate the result. Then also we have here the detailed calculation. So yun, to guys. So for example, i-more na natin sa yung length na, sorry, should be 10 to 100. Okay. So let's say 7 meters. So ito, hindi na siya applicable kasi as you can see kapag i-substitute natin yung x value here is magle-less than siya. Magle-less than, magne-negative yung value dito. So, hindi na siya valid. Okay? So, if mag-greater than siya, mag-change ka na ng formula nito. Okay? So, derive na lang ninyo if the x is from the right side. Okay. So, let's say 4 meters. So, ito yung corresponding deflection, then the moment. Okay. Yung gaganda kasi automatically, it will calculate the corresponding value in the result. Yun lang. By the way, nag-update tayo ng website. Punta lang kayo dito sa rhcengineering2023.blogspot.com. Okay? Then I will attach this link para magamit niyo. Yun lang. Thank you and God bless.